Hello. Are you looking for the evidence and analysis you could ever want when writing about the character Banquo? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest mark when being asked to explore the character Banquo in the play Macbeth. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis you can include. So let's begin. Look how our partners rapped. So from Act 1, Scene 3, the adjective wrapped means to be kidnapped or seized. Banquo is the first to realise the trance Macbeth is in when he hears the witch's predictions. This instantly shows his suspicions, but may also show Macbeth being under their spell, linking to a key question of play. Does Macbeth have free will? Speak then to me, who neither beg nor fear your favours nor your hate. Banquo exposes his own ambitions in this scene, as he asks the witches to acknowledge his fate. However, he does not wish for anything in particular, and unlike Macbeth, he does not press them further. Thou hast it now, King, Cawdor, Glamis all, as the weird women promised, and I fear thou playedst most foully for it. Banquo accuses Macbeth of manoeuvring the situation in his favour in an aside, where he contemplates the witch's prophecies. The use of a hyphen to break this sentence connotes Banquo taking a moment to reminisce on his meeting with the witches, perhaps suggesting he is ordering events in his mind and confirming his suspicions. It's something obviously to consider the use of the word foul. Foul is fair, fair is foul. There is that repetition of the witch's phrase as well. Why? By the varieties of thee made good, may they not be my oracles as well, and set me up in hope, but hush no more. Despite his integrity, Banquo could not help but ponder on the witch's predictions over his own fate. However, he does not allow it to consume him and a conjunction, but interrupts his thoughts and shows his self-discipline, enforcing himself to stop dwelling on this matter, unlike the character Macbeth. Oftentimes, to win us to harm, the instruments of darkness tell us truths. Although Banquo shows interest in the witch's prophecies, his free will and logic tells him to be careful. Unlike Macbeth, Banquo realizes the witch's motives and he tries to warn his friend, a clear sign of loyalty and integrity he presents within his character. So thank you. So here's a series of key quotes and analysis you could use when exploring the character Macbeth. Don't worry about it. Now you need to make sure that you are revising, so well done.